Alright traders, today is 7th of April 2020. We are now live at the trading WTI Crude Oil Market, May contract 2020. And in this video I will show you how I do the trade for US session, especially for a quick scalp at the beginning of the first 30 minutes of US session. So time now is 9:15 a.m. in the morning, New York time. And we have received one short sell signal from my live Telegram channel, and this signal appeared to show to me to go short on the market at 26.34 and TP at 26.22. So based from this, we'll go for a epic trade, which is fast in and fast out, hopefully. So while waiting for this order to be triggered, and let's take a look on the current situation of the market. So we can see that the market move on the sideways movement, and we are trading below the pivot line. So based from the current situation, there's a sideways move during the London session before the breakout to the downside, and now we are waiting for the last cycle of the small bearish movement before it try to turn reverse further high. So we'll wait for our entry to be triggered, which is this purple line, and our TP targeted area price level is at this green line. And yeah, please watch this video till the end. There's also a link in description. Like, share, comment below, and also link to my private channel. Just click on it and to join. So while waiting, let's wait and see whether this will provide us any other signal if the price try to reverse back to the higher side. So I will pause this video and we'll resume later on once we have a good entry or another signal to go into the market. Alright traders, we're already in the market. So at this moment we can see that one ticks away from our entry and looks good so far. Hopefully it break this nearest low. Now we are break even, up minus 2 ticks. So about that, and the target is 26.22, which is from my live Telegram channel generated from the algorithm. So we are going to short sell the market at this price level, and hopefully the price will hit this 26.22 shortly, hopefully. And so let's wait and see. If the price moves back to the higher side, then we have a stop loss at 57, and let's be prepared for both sides actually. So we can see the market have make a new low here, and lowest high, which is at let's take a look how much, 59. Alright, so once it breaks through this, then the market might reverse back to the higher side. So based from the current situation, looks we are going to go for a short on the market. Still in the minus 3 ticks. Let's wait. Hopefully the price will burst further down. Could be the beginning of another bearish movement. Okay, we are plus 3 ticks, plus 4 ticks. Looks good, looks good, looks good. So looks good, not far from our TP targeted area. Plus 5 ticks, plus 6 ticks. $60, $70. The lowest is $80 in profit. Okay, now 70. Hopefully this will be a quick one, and hopefully it's not reverse back. That's what I'm expecting at this moment. So you can just take profit if you want to. Should be a good enough. Plus 5 ticks. Seems there's some speeds involving the current depth of market. So let's take a look on the volume. Okay, we are not far. That's good. Plus 8 ticks. So the lowest is 9 ticks, which is $90. Alright, we are reaching 100. It's not far. Okay, we hit. So alright, $130 because there's a possible slippage. If I'm not mistaken, we did enter at 34 and supposed to exit at 12 ticks, but maybe the slippage we now earn around $130. So this is 13 ticks profit. It will take only about, let's take a look. Alright, based on the orders fill, we took around 6 minutes to be secure the profit of 130 US dollar. So this end our day trade today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below. There's a link in the description to go for this private channel and for this live signal during US session. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.